Guys, if you haven't come across NotebookLM yet, well, it's actually basically Google's AI tool that can take your notes, documents, and even PDFs and turn them into things like summaries, answers, and even full slide decks. And to be fair, the slides it creates are actually quite good, clean, structured, and ready to go. But here's the catch. When you export them, they come out as a PDF. Doesn't matter whether you select PDF or PowerPoint, which you can, they just come out as flat files. And that's where the problem starts, because you've now got something that looks like a presentation, but it isn't editable. And you know what? As we know, AI is not always perfect. So you kind of need to have the ability to edit. So today, how do you convert NotebookLM PDF slides into editable PowerPoint? Because on paper, it should be straightforward, but in reality, you download the PDF, open it, and you can't edit anything properly. And that's where Tenorshare PDNob 2 comes in. Now, I've used PDNob for a while, but I have to say, this updated version has some cool AI technology built in to do some very, very cool stuff. So if you want to turn those AI generated slides into something that you can actually use, tweak, and present, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up, YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, NotebookLM is brilliant for quickly turning your notes or documents into a clean set of slides. But the problem is, they're not really slides. When you export them, they come out as PDFs. And PDFs are great for sharing, but not so great if you actually want to edit them or present them. So today I'm going to show you Tenorshare PDNob 2 and how this lets you take those slides and turn them into proper editable PowerPoints. Now guys, before we get into it, this video is focused on one solution, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works in a real world workflow so you can decide if it's right for you. Now, you always know that whatever I review, you're always going to also get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get into it. So guys, this is what you get out of NotebookLM. You get a clean PDF with your slides laid out nicely. And you know what? It looks okay. But like I said, if I try to edit this directly, you can see everything's basically flattened. Text isn't really editable, layouts are locked, and it's not designed for tweaking. In fact, it's pretty much a picture, right? So yeah, you're not going to be able to edit all of the components. And this is where PDNob 2 actually proves its value. I've got that exact PDF here, straight export, nothing changed. And all I'm going to do is drop it into Tenorshare PDNob 2 and convert it to PowerPoint. And the key thing here is this isn't just turning it into images. I've already got a flat image. It's actually rebuilding the slides. So now that that's done, let's open it up. And straight away, you can see each slide has been separated properly. The text is in editable boxes and the layout has just been carried across. So if I click into this, I can change the text. I can move things around. I can adjust layouts. It behaves like a normal PowerPoint file. And that's the difference. You're not fighting the file anymore. You're not fighting the fact that you've got a flat picture that you can't actually do anything with. Now guys, in terms of accuracy, of course, you know what? It does a really solid job. You know what? Headings are where you'd expect them. Bullet points are intact and the overall structure is well preserved. Now, you might get the odd font swap or slight spacing tweak, but you know what? Realistically, if you do, you're only fixing small details. You're not rebuilding everything. And that's the real value here, time. Because what would normally take you 20 to 30 minutes to recreate manually, this gets you most of the way in just a few seconds. And this is where it goes a bit further as well, because it's not just a converter. PDNob 2 is really a full PDF tool. So if you're working with scanned documents or image-based PDFs, OCR, all of that kind of stuff, you know, it can recognize text and turn something into editable text and content as well. You know what? It's a pretty cool tool. And importantly, that all runs locally. So you're not uploading files anywhere, which is a big plus if you're dealing with anything sensitive. So once you've got it, it's not just solving one problem. It's solving something that you can use at any time you need to actually work with a PDF. So the workflow becomes really simple. Export your file, run it through PDNob, and you're straight into editing. And that's what turns this from something that's locked into something you can actually use. So guys, there you have it. Working with PDFs can be frustrating, especially when everything looks right, but you can't actually edit or use the content properly. And that's exactly what Tenorshare PDNob 2 solves. It uses AI to take that locked file, converts it properly, and gives you something you can actually work with quickly and without the hassle of rebuilding everything from scratch. And once you've got that, you can just get on with editing, presenting, or whatever you need to do. And guys, at the time of this video going live, check out the PDNob website for any offers. I'll also have any links and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Tenorshare for sending me this cool software to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.